Hello. Great to have you here. A very warm welcome to another practical class of ERP Havieri. Today we are going to explore the financial movement screen, one of the most important and intelligent in the system. This is the control center for your company's entire cash flow, where you manage collections and payments with impressive precision and flexibility. The great differentiator of this screen is its complete support for multiple currencies, with automatic exchange rates, custom rates, and the ability to collect multiple invoices at once using different payment methods. All of this integrated with the sales, purchases, services, and cash modules. Let's dive into this incredible functionality. When you open the screen, you will see the List tab, which presents a complete table of all financial invoices. For each invoice, you have detailed information. The invoice number, the type which can be receive or pay, the invoice origin such as a sale, a service, a purchase, or a casual invoice, the creation date, the due date, the customer or supplier, the payment method, the total amount, the remaining balance, and the status, which can be waiting, paid, canceled, or negotiated. Above the table, you will find a very powerful filter system. You can choose to view only invoices to receive, only invoices to pay, or all invoices. You can group invoices by payment method, which is excellent for getting a consolidated view of how much you have to receive from each method, such as cash, card, or boleto. Use the search to find invoices by number, customer name, or amount. Date and status filters allow you to further refine your query. In the table, each invoice has a pencil icon that, when clicked, opens the Invoice tab. This is where the magic really happens. The invoice screen is divided into two areas. On the left side, you can select the entity, customer, or supplier and view all relevant information, such as photo, contacts, addresses, credits, and historical charts. On the right side, we have the heart of the system, the multi-currency collection and payment module. The first step is to select the invoices you want to collect or pay. You can check a single invoice or multiple invoices at once using the header checkbox to select all. The system automatically calculates the total amount to receive or pay, already converted to the reference currency defined by the system. You can see in real time the payment progress through a bar that shows how much has already been paid and a final summary with all the details. Now let's get to the most impressive part, the multi-currency system. ERP Havieri supports as many currencies as you want, such as real, dollar, euro, or any other configured in the system. You can define the currency to which you want to convert all values. The system already brings the standard exchange rate registered, but you can also enter a custom rate manually. This is essential for companies that work with foreign trade or receive payments in different currencies. The conversion is done automatically, and you can see the converted value for each invoice individually. When the system performs the conversion, it records the entire operation in detailed logs, allowing you to track exactly how each value was calculated, including in cross-currency operations, where the conversion goes through an intermediate currency. In the Payment tab, you choose the payment method, such as cash, credit card, debit card, bank slip, PIX, transfer, or any other configured method. Then you select the currency in which you are receiving the payment. You enter the amount received and add it to the payment list. The system automatically converts the amount to the reference currency. And here comes the system's intelligence. The amount paid is distributed proportionally among all selected invoices, respecting each one's balance. You can add as many payments as you want, in different methods and currencies. Imagine a real scenario, a customer who pays half of the invoice in cash and half by card in different currencies. The system handles this perfectly, converting each amount and applying it to the correct invoices. If the total amount paid is greater than the amount due, the system automatically calculates the change. And more, you can choose in which currency you want to receive that change, selecting the desired currency in the change field. The final summary shows everything clearly: the total to receive, the total paid, the remaining balance, and the change, if any. When you finalize the collection, the system processes all payments at once, in an atomic and secure way. It updates invoice balances, records cash movements, generates a complete history, and, if it's a sales order, even automatically changes the order status to separation, starting the shipping flow. Everything integrated and automated. This integration between modules is what makes ERP Havieri so powerful. A financial movement directly impacts inventory, billing, and order status. The Transactions tab is another powerful feature. It shows the entire transaction history for that financial invoice. You see who made the transaction, when it was done, the amount, the payment method used, the currency, and even detailed notes about the operation, including exchange conversion logs. If something goes wrong or if you need to undo a payment, you can return the collection with one click, restoring the invoice balance. The system records this return as a separate transaction, maintaining full traceability. The reports are the icing on the cake. You can generate an invoice report, with all filters applied, that shows all invoices for the period with their respective balances and statuses. You can also generate a receipt report, which consolidates all financial movements for the period, grouped by company, user, and payment method, with credit, debit, and net balance totals. This is ideal for bank reconciliation and cash closing. As you have seen, the financial movement screen is extremely intelligent and complete. It allows you to receive and pay invoices with multiple currencies, automatic and custom exchange rates, various payment methods, automatically calculated change, intelligent distribution of values among invoices, and also offers reports and complete history with full traceability. All of this with an intuitive interface integrated with the rest of the system, from sales to cash. In the next class, we will explore another important feature of ERP Havieri. See you soon.